The RelaxGrip 4-pattern mini nozzle was created with your comfort in mind. This compact nozzle is lighter than the conventional nozzles and fits comfortably in your hand, making it ideal for extended watering tasks. The smooth action thumb control allows you to manage water flow with a single easy motion, reducing the strain often experienced with traditional nozzles. The innovative design means you don't need to squeeze for a steady stream of water. Easily change between 4 spray patterns, from gentle shower to powerful jet. You can complete any watering task. It operates smoothly without the need to pinch or grip, so it's the right choice for individuals with limited mobility. Quality construction and durable metal couplings will last season after season. Plus, it's backed by the Melnor Limited Lifetime Warranty for added peace of mind. RelaxGrip by Melnor. Accessible gardening for everybody. Melnor, helping you grow since 1946.